How to fix sending message failed on Instagram. Hi everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can fix if you're on to being able to send messages on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So basically, if you're just trying to open up Instagram, trying to DM someone and you're not being able to send them a message, why does this happen? Now, one of the primary reasons why this happens, if it's the other person has actually blocked you. So if you're not being to send them a message, just try to open up the profile and then just try to go to the profile page as well. If you can view the profile, that's perfectly fine, but if not, if it says the person isn't available, then it means that you have most likely been blocked, and that's the start part of it. Now, if that's not the case, what you want to do is just make sure to go ahead and check whether your internet connection is working just fine. If you're using Wi-Fi, try to switch back to cellular. If you're using cellular, try to switch back to Wi-Fi. If that doesn't help, I want you to long press the Instagram app icon here, then tap the little I button that you see to come to the app info page of Instagram. Scroll down, then just go to the option called storage, click on clear cache, and also make sure to clear the data. Once you've cleared the cache files and data, just open the app in your app store as well, and then just check whether or not the Instagram app has an update, and if it does, definitely make sure to update the app to the latest version, because sometimes updating will help you fix most of your bugs and errors. Hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.